Feel like there's never enough time in the day? You're not alone. But what if I tell you there are free AI tools that can help you save hours every single week? Hey everyone, welcome back to Upskill Yourself. In this channel, we simplify tech, tools, and tips to help you grow in your career and personal life. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 totally free, powerful AI tools that will make you more productive, automate the boring stuff, and give you back your time. Let's dive into it. Alright, so at number 1, no surprise, ChatGPT. This tool is like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. You can use it to draft emails, write reports, generate content, summarize long documents, and even brainstorm ideas. Fun fact, this whole video that you're watching right now was drafted and content written by ChatGPT. And this was just done on the free version, which is the ChatGPT 3.5, which is incredibly powerful and more than enough for most day-to-day tasks. But I also went ahead and bought the paid subscription because I use it so oftenly and for almost all my tasks in my daily routine. And then the next video, I will be doing a comparison between the paid version and the free version to give you a sense of idea if it's really worth going that far and putting money towards it. You can give prompts to ChatGPT like summarize this document or write this email more professionally, make this message sound a little more friendlier, engaging, and let's say if you're somebody who is a social media content creator or if you're somebody who works in a professional setting. For example, if you're somebody who makes content for a living, then this could come in very handy because you don't have to think of all the copy to write. You can just give prompts to ChatGPT, give your keywords to chat, and it will give you nice copy. It will give you those emojis as well that you can use on your videos, and it will make things more professional, more fun, more creative, and you can even brainstorm ideas, like throw context to it, give it a context, give it the idea, and make a conversation. It will be like you have your friend, you're just spitballing ideas, you're just getting everything out of your brain, and then you get something which is usable, and then you can move forward with that idea. The next one is Notion AI. Notion is very important in my life, and it has become very important in my life for the past couple of months because it's not only just a note writing app or for note taking, it actually give you all the timelines. It could be your scheduler, it could be your to-do list, it could be a whole lot of things that you wanted to use. It's very powerful. It's a little complicated to use, I must add. It has more features than you would need and you might not even use all those features. But for the most part, what you're going to use it for, it will be very, very beneficial to you. It helps you draft blog posts. It can help you summarize your meetings. It can help you project timelines and even brainstorm ideas inside your workspace, which is incredible. It feels less like switching tools and more like working smarter where you already are. Like it's a fun mix of how your ideas and your creativity paired with these tools can make it more powerful and something more user-friendly and something more unique that the world is looking for, or that your users or your viewers are looking for. Think of it as Google Docs plus AI, or if you're somebody who uses Microsoft products, think of it as a Word document plus AI, right? You can get all your to-do lists, you can get all your post rechecked, paraphrased, everything all in one. Isn't that fantastic? And if you start using it, the UI is so amazing that it kind of pulls you in. You're there, you're locked, and you will be using it because it gives you more and more functionality as you progress. The third one is CleanUp.Pictures. It literally does what the name suggests, CleanUp.Pictures. Have you ever had a photo which is like a perfect photo, but it was photobombed by messy background or something, any object which is not supposed to be there? Using this AI tool, you can actually circle or identify that object and can literally remove it in seconds. No Photoshop skills needed, I promise you, because I don't have it myself. You can just drag and drop your picture, brush over the object, and poof, all gone. The picture that you get at the end is a 720p picture on the free tool, on the free version of it. But if you're somebody like me who doesn't really care about it and just needs some pictures to put on a pre-roll or put on some content out, and it's just some pictures that you're going to be using for something else, then it works out perfectly. You don't have to buy the paid version, but if you're interested to going further and trying it out, please go so. It's amazing. I've used it and I keep using it all the time. This one is a game changer for all the social media content managers and content creators because they need it the most. They are looking for something like this where they don't have to pay somebody to do it for them, and it's quick and easy. That's what we need. And I know you guys are already listening to me and I've already gone to another web page and started looking it up. Yes, give it a try. It's amazing. So now this fourth one is Descript. This is perfect for all the video content creators, video editors, and podcasters. Because when we're making our videos, we get all those ahs, and then there's words that we want to cut out, but we don't want to put too much work into it, and we don't, most of the time, don't want to pay somebody to do it for us. This tool then comes into play. You can edit videos on this just like editing a Word document. I'm not even kidding, it's that easy. Delete a word, cut it, video automatically gets edited. It even removes all those filler words, and the free plan has all the features that you need. It's quite generous with all those features, but if you feel that you need more from it and if you love that tool so much that you want to go a little bit further, a paid version will have more extensive features and could even be your own personal video editor, and you might not even need somebody after that. If you've ever spent hours editing video, I'm sure this will help you save that time. Okay, so last but not the least, on number 5, we have Gamma.app. Gamma.app is for all those people who have been stressing on making their presentations more catchy, more with visuals, more with something that they can do it quickly as possible, because in our works, in our corporate lives, we need to make presentations. We have to present what we've been working on and stuff, and we need presentation tools. Usually we go to PowerPoint, or we would go to Prezi, or we would go to Canva for that matter. But Gamma.app can make all those slide decks for you. And just you describe your topic to it, and it helps you build a clean professional slide deck within seconds, with structure, with visuals, with layouts. It has everything that you need. It is perfect for students as well, because they need to present their case study, so they need to present any topic they've been working on. It is a game changer, and it will save you so much time. I kid you not. Give it a try.